Do you want to know how to use AirPods Pro for the best sound? Well, in this video, I'll have 5 tips for exceptional AirPods Pro sound quality. Coming up! Hi, I'm Dr. Derek, audiologist, audio engineer, and musician with ProFitHearing.com, bringing you the best insight in today's latest hearing aids, headphones, and audio technology to improve your life. If you have concerns about your hearing, always consult with your local physician or audiologist. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for notifications if you enjoy this video. Today I'm talking about how to use your AirPods Pro for exceptional sound quality. Make your movies, music, apps, and phone calls sound their best. Tip number 1, ear tip fit test. The ear tips come in small, medium, and large. They're designed to provide a seal within the ear canal. Obtaining a secure seal within your ear canal will maximize noise cancellation and improve bass response for music. Run the ear tip fit test to see if the ear tips you've selected are the best match for your ears. Go to Settings, Bluetooth, and click on the eye next to AirPods Pro. Running the ear tip fit test will play music in both ears. The software then determines how much sound leaks out of your ear canal. If there's too much sound leakage, the software will recommend a different size ear tip. In addition to music quality and noise reduction, an appropriately sized ear tip can help hold the AirPods Pro more securely in your ears. Tip number 2, headphone accommodations. Do you want your movies, music, and phone calls to sound more crisp and clear? Well, the Headphone Accommodations feature is worth checking out. Now go to Settings, Accessibility, Audio-Visual, Headphone Accommodations. Click Custom Audio Setup. The software will now step you through the headphone audio customization process. You can apply this audio customization to phone calls, movies, music, and transparency mode. Hit Continue to begin the in-the-ear calibration. Tip number 3, Spatial Audio. Spatial audio recreates a surround sound audio experience for compatible movie content. The locations of sounds around you are adjusted depending on the position of your head relative to the position of your phone. This feature is available with the AirPods Pro and newer iPhones and iPads. Go to Settings, Bluetooth, and click on the eye next to AirPods Pro. Turn on Spatial Audio. You can hear an example of this feature by clicking on See and Hear How It Works. Tip number 4, update your devices. Make sure to update to the latest software on the Apple devices you use with your AirPods Pro. Go to Settings, General, Software Update. Also, update your AirPods Pro to the latest firmware version. To find out what version you have, go to Settings, Bluetooth, and click on the eye next to AirPods Pro. You can't manually update your firmware, but this will be done automatically from the device it's paired to. Just put your AirPods Pro into the case, put the case on the wireless charger or plug it in, and place the iPhone or other paired Apple device in close proximity to the AirPods Pro. Tip number 5, clean your AirPods. Clean the black wire mesh on the top of the AirPods Pro. This is a cover for the microphone that's used for active noise cancellation. Over time, this microphone cover can get clogged with debris. Use a Q-tip or soft brush for cleaning to avoid any damage to the microphone when you're cleaning the wire mesh microphone cover. Also, remove any earwax from the ear tips. For deep cleaning, you can pull off your ear tips at the base. The removed ear tips can then be rinsed with water and completely dried with a cloth before you reattach them to the AirPods Pro. Align the oval-shaped ear tips and push until you hear a click to secure them in place. So for today's question, which of these tips helped improve your sound quality the most? Let's connect in the comments. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you receive value from this video, please like it, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell icon to be notified whenever a new video is posted. Remember to check out the notes in the description below for more information and connect with ProFit Hearing on social media. Be a part of the ProFit Hearing community. If you're interested in hearing aids, click on the link in the description below for my free ebook, How to Buy Hearing Aids. Know what to ask your audiologist or hearing aid dispenser so that your hearing aids are easy to use and have all the features you're looking for. Remember, ProFit Hearing brings you the best insight in today's latest hearing aids, headphones, and audio technology to improve your life. If you have concerns about your hearing, always consult with your local physician or audiologist. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.